Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, today I will conduct a user testing. This is the pilot test. So this is the instruction for you. So you need to do this. So read it carefully.
Sit down. The test will start when we ask you to access the application. There's no right and wrong answer. We will not show you how to use the application unless you ask for it. You are encouraged to use all the functions of the application. Tell us when you are finished. Okay.
Okay, so you can start now.
Service. Select. Recycling process. Okay.
Okay, so I finished. Okay, this is a few questions we need to ask. Okay, the first, what do you think about this prototype?
This prototype is quite interesting and it's very user friendly, and the comment in your application is very good. Means we don't have to search too much, so it's very easy to explore.
So what did you like most about this prototype?
It's simple. It's simple and then it's very informative. And then what you want to display with this application, it's very correct. Means like every steps of every steps of processing the e-waste, you have shown them, and the information you are gathering the customer information correctly.
Okay, next, what did you like least about this prototype? It means that what do you not like about this prototype?
Oh, what do I like? It can be more interactive. Like it's less interactive. Means like you can put more picture. You can put video on how they processing the e-waste that given by the customer. It's a good thing that you can put.
Okay, next question is, on scale 1 to 10, how usable do you think this prototype were?
8 out of 10.
It's okay. And next, also on scale 1 to 10, how satisfied were you with this prototype?
8 out of 10.
Okay. Okay, these the last questions. Okay, what is your opinion for us so that we can improve our prototype?
As I said, this is a very good prototype rather than other application that contributing e-waste. Just you can make it interactive. You can put some video, and then the comment is very good because it's very easy and it's very user friendly. Just you have to be more interactive, like putting some video pictures. That's it. Other than that, it's all okay with this application.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, so proceed to the second question. What did you like the most about this prototype?
Okay, but this prototype, I think it very simple to use because you just need what we call you just need to put some a few information. So after that you can get the solution.
Yeah. So next question. What did you like the least about this prototype?
I think for the prototype the color is like faded.
Faded, not
Not attractive. So when the user use the app, he will think, well, it's not very attractive to use that. So before he use the app, he will like exit, download another app.
Boring.
Yes.
On scale 1 to 10, how usable you think this prototype?
Scale 1 to 10, I think 7.
7. Very clever. So, how satisfied were you in with this prototype?
For the color
Ah.
attractiveness and another thing, I think I will give 6
6 out of 10.
10.
Thank you. So last question, what do you think about the improvement of this prototype?
Okay, the improvement that I think the first is the color. The app needs to look like a fancy, so the user will attract to this app.
Fancy,
Fancy,
like
like,
pinky.
Not it's
No.
yeah, it's like it have many color.
Many color.
Yeah.
Rainbow color.
Rainbow is okay.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Oh, Waalaikumsalam.
Mr. Izham.
Yes.
So my first question, what do you think about this prototype?
Oh, the prototype that I used before, I think it very usable to the people that want to sell thing, like recycle the thing, the old thing.
Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
So I want to ask you about the prototype.
Yeah.
First question, what did you think about this prototype?
I think this prototype is very relevant because nowadays we can see a lot of phones, the older phone that we had used before this, and by having this prototype, we can can recycle the old phone.
So proceed to the next question. What did you like the most about this prototype?
What did I like the most from this prototype is because from what I can see, it's really convenience because to all people to use it because it's like it look so simple and the instruction given from this prototype is easy to understand and easy for me, a person that like me, I don't use a lot the phone, but when I want to open and generate this prototype, I really can understand the instruction given.
Oh, okay. So the third question is, what did you like the least about this prototype?
List
For example, the color.
the color, I think because from the design of theme of this prototype, it look not so interesting. Because the color for me it's not too sharp or too what we call the contrast is not enough to attract me. Like me, at first, as the first time I look at this prototype, I just ask myself, what is this? But just for the improvement, you can put some logos or change a bit a color of it.
Rainbow lah. Rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow. Make it look interesting.
Pinky.
Yeah.
You like it.
I don't like.
So on the scale 1 to 10, how usable do you think this prototype?
For its functions, I give because of it functions, I give 9 per 10.
9 per 10.
Yes.
Very good. So how satisfied were you with this prototype?
So far it's quite satisfying myself because I think this is the first prototype that I had found that can recycle our old phone.
On the scale?
On the scale 1 to 10, I give you 8.5 per 10.
Okay, last question, sir.
Yeah.
What do you think about the improvement? How can we improve
Oh,
prototype?
for the improvement, like I said before, about the color maybe or the design, you have to make it more interesting for the new people or for attract a
a new people become a user for your prototype.
Okay. So that's all my question. Okay.
Okay, we can start our interview for the participant one. So you can read the instruction that we have written below.
Okay, sit down. The test will start when we ask you to access the application. Okay, there is no right and wrong answer. We will not show you how to use the application unless you ask for him. You are encouraged to use all functions in the application. Tell us when you are finished.
Okay, thank you for our instruction. And this is the mobile apps. The mobile apps is about the e-waste, which is electronic waste. So you can try to make a test and look at our device.
Okay.
Tak, belum lagi. Not. You can look other page. Don't do the task now. Just look. Oops. Sorry. This and click home. Okay. Look other page. Okay. Thank you for test our mobile apps, and then you have to do a task, and then this is the task that we provided to guidance for using our apps. So you can start do the task now. So the task is you have to click the menu button, and you have to click the service, and you have to choose the sell item, and you have to click the laptop part, and you have to fill in the document that provided. After you finish the document, click submit, and you can click home button.
Ini tak ada dia lah.
Yes. Anything you can
Anything.
do.
Okay.
Nothing really. Okay, thank you for doing our task, and this is for the last. Okay, we have several questions we have to ask before we end our interview. Okay, thank you for using our apps, and this is the last part of our interview. So the first question is, what did you think about this prototype?
I think this prototype might be simple prototype. I think a lot to be added to this, but the user interface is quite nice, simple to understand.
Okay, and next question is, what did you like most about this prototype?
The simple key, right? Graphical user interface, and also maybe the simple instruction, just to center. But yeah, just like I think that some of the search bar is not there, so it's quite difficult. So if you add the search bar, is really nice, and the list the item itself.
Okay. For the third question, what did you like the least about this prototype?
Of course, there is no list of menu in the sell item. So when I click the sell item, just I need to search for my inquiries, what I want, and just a submit button. So I don't know if it I have that part or don't have that part. Yeah, there's no search function in the app, so we don't know what is inside the sell item.
Okay, question number 4, there will be 2 questions. So for 4.1, on the scale 1 to 10, how usable do you think this prototypes work?
Usable is maybe I can give 4 because it's quite nice to have a application that can search use item for recycle laptop and all that kind, laptop, tablets, phones, yeah, such nice.
Okay, 4.2, on scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied were you with this prototype?
I think I could give you 3 because if you add some more search list, we know that what item in that list, so it's more user friendly and what you call I don't have any question when I use the app. But just now that when I want to search for the laptop, and then what part laptop that you have in the list. So I need to discover myself what that part and then what that model. So that it is quite difficult. Yeah.
And for the last question, what do you think that need to be improved in this prototype?
Yes, of course, the search function, and then the list of the items that you have, and then also, if it is possible, the price of the item.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we will go to the next user for our projects. Okay, please read the question, the instruction that we write.
First, sit down. The test will start when we ask you to access the application. There is no right and wrong answer. We will not show you how to use the application unless you ask for hint. You are encouraged to use all functions in the application. Tell us when you are finished. That's basically it.
Okay. Okay, this is the application that we have. So you can try to observe and discover our apps. Alright.
So how do I get back?
Try to submit button.
Alright. Box laptop. Let's see. Alright. Let's see. What's this? Cycling pools.
process. So all videos. Alright. Okay? Okay, finish. That's it. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to do a task. So this is the task that you have to do. I will read it and you have to do it. Okay? Okay, first you have to click the menu button. The menu button. And you have to click the service. Services. And you choose sell item. Then you click the laptop part. Laptop part. And then you fill in the document. Fill in the documents. Also, yes. What's this one? So how do I close this keyboard? Just click the okay, hold on. That's all. Let's see. Alright. And then click sign home. Alright. I'll do that. Okay. That's all. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Then we will go next to the question that we provided. Okay. Okay. Here is the question. So after you have used our mobile apps, we will ask question. Hope you will answer this honestly. So the first question is, what did you think about this prototype?
Okay, to be honest, the prototype is actually quite a handful. I don't want to use bad because it is a prototype, but it is a handful. The lack of the back button is really annoying actually, and then the way the keyboards close up some of the text holder is pretty annoying also, and you really need to use to repair some of the navigations in the apps itself. One of the things that needs to be improved, other than the navigation, is how the flow of the apps itself. So the arrangement is it's not bad, but it's not suggestive enough for the user, for the first time user to use it.
Okay, the second question is, what did you like most about this prototype?
Okay, what I would like the most is the idea behind it, because it is an e-waste. The idea behind it actually is good, because we have so many electronics gadgets, and most of them will be thrown away after 3 or 2 years. So the idea behind it is the best part of this prototype actually.
Oh, okay. And the third question is, what did you like the least about this prototype?
Definitely the navigation system. I mean the navigation between the page And then how do we get back to the first menu? That is definitely need to be improved, and the least I like about this prototype.
Okay. For the question for this will be two questions. So the 4.1, on the scale of 1 to 10, how usable do you think these prototypes were?
How usable? I would like to say it's 4.
4. Okay. And 4.2, on the scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied were you with these prototypes?
I would like to say 3.
3. Okay. And for the last question, what do you think that need to be improved in the prototype?
Okay, definitely the navigation system, definitely the way the keyboards and the screen, the placement of the screen, the flow of the menu, the flow of the program of the apps itself, the menu, and then some of the color is fine, the color is fine, the design is quite okay. It's not that bad because this is a prototype, it doesn't have to be fancy. But the fundamental things like the flow, the navigation, definitely need to be improved, definitely needs to be fixed.
Oh, okay. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum brother.
Waalaikumsalam.
After you use the prototype, I want you to answer a few questions about the prototype.
Okay, that's great.
First question, what did you think about the prototype?
Oh, I think this prototype is good because it is simple and easy for me to understand as a new user.
Okay. What did you like most about the prototype?
What I like the most, I think I like the design and also the simple design that has been created for this prototype.
Okay, next question. What did you like least about the prototype?
What I least like is, I think its menu button is too small.
That's
It's
all.
hard for me, yes.
Next question, I want you to answer on the scale 1 to 10. Okay. How usable do you think the prototype is?
I will give it 7.
How satisfied were you with the prototype?
8.
Last question, what do you think need to be improved from the prototype?
Just like I said earlier, what I dislike is the menu button because it is too small. So I think this menu button has to be more larger. So this, I think the most thing that this prototype have to be improved.
Okay, that's all.
Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Allah Akbar.